Ukuthi kuno someone naye ukholelwa yoba isonevile ne-talent. Guys, Tina, we are so gifted. As much as yes ibukeke ngathi ikase elincane, but there's so much. And sinikeni opportunity sinibonisa. Anyway, Philmon is one of the people abafika bafaka ikase lethu emapping, but we're gonna get to it. So ke ngoku apha ekukhuleni kwakho ukhulani ngama-siblings ayingaphi, and then how was the whole setup ekhaya?
Okay, ekhaya sikhula si-5.
Okay.
Siblings, na. Bese siba 7 ngoma nobaba, you understand, as our parents. So, and then kwafika laba adopta another brother of ours, uPancho.
Yes,
yes. Small guy.
yeah.
I understand. So, bekungathini bekumnandi man. Ukhula nama siblings like 2 girls and 3 boys. So, masikhula sisonke singabantwana bamuntu, obviously kubana nama challenges somewhere somehow, like kubana ne competition futhi abantwana bamuntu, hey, there's a problem, there's fights going on. Yeah, I understand, but into engayisho is just that thina abazali bethu ngalendlela basikhulise ngayo, ngithanda indlela basikhulise ngayo. Okokuqala basikhulise ngendlela yokuthi number 1, respect yourself and respect the other person.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand. And then isonto was number 1. Uma wami kakhulu uma. And it's ingenye indlela, because if umuntu ukhula nje unganayo irespect kuyabonakala.
Yeah.
Uzobonakala uma lokho ukhula.
Yeah.
Uzobonakala ngendlela zakho into ozenzayo.
Yes.
So ngithande the way nje ekhaya sikhulise ngakhona. And beside that ngingazi ukuthi okay ngikhulumela for only my family.
Yes.
Le yasekhaya.
Yesekhaya. Singiyayifuna phela neyakho ngoba angisho njengoba nawe ubushilo ukuthi eqaleni, okay, this is what mina ngizokutshela ngayo when I think of your family yakho Kanyani yase Block 7. You have a mom who's got a strong personality. And you have a mom who's forever willing to help others.
All the time. All the time.
And I say this because of ngingahlala 5 years kwaPule emafletini. Klama room kaPule. So that's when I got to know ifamily yakho, ngastroyela nosisi wakho. You know, so izinto engicabanga ukuthi uye wazithatha wena, ezinye zazo uzifundisa umama nobaba wangena nazo emshadweni wakho, ngoba kuthiwe indoda iyeze ishiye elekhaya lakhe. Yeah. So tell me, ubaba umkhwenyana umuntu. Right. Tell me about it.
Okay. Today I'm a father of 3.
Okay.
Yeah, ngizihlalela kamnandi nomkami, mfazi wami ngimthandayo, Maserame. Ngikhula naye, ngimthanda kakhulu. Today I think we are 23 years in relationship, maybe 13 years in marriage. Yeah.
10 years wawuhlalela ni 10 years engako ngashada ingane yabantu, but ke into ebalekile ngayihlalela lapho. Into ebalekile ngifuna ukukubuza yona. Abantu, more especially abantu besilisa banalento ukuthi they are scared to get married young, right? Because of they feel like be on their feet, they haven't found themselves and all that. And we witnessed you getting married at a very young age. Yeah.
Mina into engiphushile ukuthi ngishade ngisasemncane is that ukuthi lo muntu ngithandana naye, lo ngizwana naye, lo mfazi wami bekangibonisa in every aspect ukuthi owami. If guys do not rush into marriage and do not become serious ngokushada if ungangamazi umuntu. Yazi qala umuntu.
Will you ever know someone ngoba kuthi umuntu incwadi engafundeki?
You know bathi umuntu uyachange, but if umuntu uke wahlala naye isikhathi eside wamfunda ngayo yonke into, wambona ngazo zonke indlela, umuntu along the relationship uhamba umtest ufuna ukubona ukuthi naro lo muntu owami or kanjani.
But yeah, 10 years was enough, isn't it?
It was because yena ngalendlela mina kwenzeke ngakhona ngimteste ngeinto eziningi man, mara ngibonile ukuthi akangilahlanga.
Okay.
Ngeke ngikhulume being out.
Yeah, ulokho wenza ama shenanigans.
No, but no ukuthi bengistot ngaleyo ndlela.
Yeah, but
nginama mistakes wami, lento yokuthi mhlawumbe the time sisahlalisana before sizoshada besakhula man benginayo lento ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyolala lapho ubuye ekseni into ezinjalo khumula na the time when ngibana nemotonyana bengizongena ngayo ekseni idumiso umntwana abantu yabona kwade into ezifana nalezo uyabona ngaleso sikhathi ngenjani but we outgrow those things sisiphume kuzo ya understand so into engatshela amajita ukuthi ningangeni kumshado nithi isikhathi sokuthi ngimshade lo muntu uma ungamazi.
Angisho sometimes ne-pressure yabazali nethu ukuthi kanti ungishada nini?
Yabona once waya ngalento leyo ungathanga ukutshelanga uzosola phambili. Each and every decision mawuyithatha umuntu kwamele ucabangisise ukuthi phela lento mangiyithatha ngithi nyowakho umuzi ngiyapi nalomuntu. Kubhlungu kanjani ukushada umuntu kusasa akuhlule akubonisa amanyala akuhlule nibe nabantwana sasa kutshela ukuthi hey mina but sengiyinafu ngawe angisakhoni ngifuna umuntu onezimali or ngifuna into ethize aphume ahlale nawe endlini abakhona abantu abanjalo akutshela ukuthi okay sizohlala sonke kodwa
umisolana emakamereni different
understand ibhlungu kanjalo lento le ngapha ninabantwana lento lo izobreaka abantwana ngeke bafocus nesesikolweni so but manje ithuni yazani ukuthi nifunani nifuna what's best for into best for abantwana benu then you will get what is best.
You know for me the saddest part is there's a woman right now who's staying in a toxic marriage because of abantwana. There are people who stays until they lose their lives emishadweni. There are people abahamba bayothathela ukufa like I'm talking about diseases emshadweni. Khona bashaywayo njengamanje emishadweni namadoda yashaywa amadoda manje kodwa bakhuluma bayasaba ukukhuluma. So as much as we advocate for ukuthi umuntu kumele abe nobambo lwakhe, I want you to talk on behalf of that man who's not happy out there.
Mfethu into engayisho ukuthi if you are not happy go botlhoko go dula mo ntwe e sa o thabising motho like o dulela ntwe e sa o thabising ntwe e sa o thabising all I will tell you is that it tlo fokoletsa dijara mo bophelo. You understand?
Yeah,
it tlo fokoletsa bophelo. It tlo tima happiness o ka sitholo tseba what is the meaning of excitement. You understand?
Ufuna ukubuya ekhaya Nkosi yami.
You wena ka bo wena you will end up losing the person that you are. You will turn out to become something else or defensive in everything. Speeches are gago so change how bua le batho because of utlo batla go defender from or okay batho especially when coming to women or batho ba basadi go nje ba treata batho ba banna so. Wa understand utlo batla go ba ntwe nngwe o seng yona. So before mfetho o kena mo ntho ntse baya ikitse oro o batla eng ene ke utlwa botlhoko for lona ma-chance ba le gore ba mo botlhokong. I understand banna ka bongata ba imetswe advice ya ka go gore kolona nka le bolela gore try me out to tloela motho o. You can always learn to love someone else. That's all.
You can always learn to love someone else. Nizwile guys.